In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Docs ownership. If you've ever needed to hand off a document so someone else is fully in charge, managing, sharing, making administrative changes, or simply owning the file, this is exactly what you're looking for. Keep in mind that only the current owner can transfer ownership, and once you do, you'll typically become an editor. The new owner will have the final say on permissions and deletion, so proceed thoughtfully. Start by opening the Google Doc you want to transfer. Make sure you're signed in with the account that currently owns the file. You can confirm ownership by opening the Share window and looking for the owner label next to your name. Click the Share button in the top right corner of the document. This opens the sharing panel where you manage access for other people. If the person you want to make the owner doesn't already have access, you'll need to add them first. In the field that says Add People and Groups, type the email address associated with their Google account. You can include a brief note if you want, just to let them know you're preparing to transfer ownership, but that's optional. Double check the address for accuracy, then click Send to grant them access. Now reopen the Share panel. You should see the person you just added listed among the collaborators. Next to their name, there's a drop-down that usually shows their current role, like viewer, commenter, or editor. Click that drop-down and choose Transfer Ownership. If you don't see the option, it generally means you're not the current owner, your organization has restrictions, or the transfer isn't allowed across certain accounts or shared drive locations. In that case, verify you're using the right account and that the file isn't stored where ownership transfers aren't supported. When you select Transfer Ownership, Google will prompt you to confirm. Read the message carefully. Confirm the transfer to finalize it. After this moment, the new owner will control key settings, including who can access the document. You'll remain on the file, typically as an editor, and you can continue to collaborate as usual. The document may appear under the new owner's drive, but you'll still find it through your recent items or the Shared with Me section unless the new owner removes your access. That's the whole process. Open the doc, share it with the future owner if needed, reopen sharing, change their role to ownership, and confirm. Take a moment to verify the right person is listed and the transfer went through, and you're all set.